Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the word concerning to the law. So let us see what we have in it. Initially, as you can see, alleghi, to say that something is that true, someone has done something wrong. So it is something you have to tell that whether it is wrong or right, that is an alleghi. Next we have arraign, to make someone come to court to answer a charge against him. That is what arraign. To make someone come to court to answer a charge against him, that is arraign. So whatever the illegal, whatever the cases have been filed to call someone to the court, that is arraign. Amnesty, a general pardon of offenders, that is known as amnesty. Alimony, that is allowance due to a wife from her husband on separation. When they get divided, when they take the divorce, the alimony be ordered by the wife. Anomaly, the deviation from the common rule or standard is known as anomaly. Assent means to agree to something is known as assent. Abrogate, to do away with the rule is an abrogation. That is to do with the away with the rules. Booty, things taken by order is known as, that is juxtapose, we'll call it as in order. So that is booty. Bigamy, the state of having two spouses at the same time. As you can see how exactly has got the two wives. So that is one type of bigamy. Next we have collusion, the secret agreement for a fraudulent purpose. This is one thing, collusion, the secret agreement for a fraudulent purpose. Curfew, the signal under martial law for public to remain indoors. So this is one type of signal under the martial law for public to remain indoors. That is one type of curfew. As you can see, this coronavirus, whatever we are locked down, it's one type of curfew in our nation. Corroborate, to confirm with the help of evidence is known as corroborate. And confiscate, to officially take private property away to seize. So this is one thing, to officially to take private property away to seize is known as confiscate. Coercion, use of force or threats to get someone to agree to something, that is known as coercion. That is one type of use of force or threats to get someone to agree to something is coercion. Defendant, a person in a court of law who has been accused of doing something is known as defendant. Default, fail to pay a debt in time is one type of, by default you have to fail to pay a debt in time. So that is default. Another, desertion, the abandonment of one's country or cause is known as desertion. So he will start moving from one place to other place. As you can see how the Vijay Mallya has gone. Confiscate, to officially take private property away to seize. As you can see, this is the guy, as you can see, the Vijay Mallya who got whole property has been seized by the government because of his moving away from India. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist where you will find maximum regarding these one word substitutions. Next we have defame, to injure one's reputation, that is defame. Exonerate, free somebody from blame or guilt is one type of exoneration. It is to free somebody from blame or guilt. Fraud means the act of deceiving somebody in order to make money. That is one type of fraud. As you can see, feint, pretended attack is a feint. Please remember, whatever the pretended attack is a feint. Felony means serious crime like murder. That is felony, that is serious crime like murder. Arson, that is also arson. As you can see how exactly that is felony. Forgery, signature of someone's name without his permission, that is one type of forgery. Fidelity, the quality of being faithful is known as fidelity. Hijack, to seize control of a vehicle in order to force, that is something, that is to seize control of a vehicle in order to force it to go to a new destination or demand something. We knew that how exactly the hijacking will take place for the terrorist hijacking of, as you can see the movie Nirza, where you will find hijacking of plane had taken place. That is, next we have hoard, to store and stock something. As you can see, the grain, whatever the food products can be stored, the grains can be stored, that is one type of hoarding. Harass means trouble anyone continuously, that is harassing. Injunction means in an order given by a court which tells someone not to do something is known as injunction. That is, the order has been given by the court not to do something. Investigation, careful and thorough inquiry is known as investigation. Internment, that is detaining and confining someone, is known as internment. As you can see, the impunity, exemption from punishment, is one type of impunity. Illicit means forbidden and prohibited by law, that is one type of illicit activity. Inheritance means the property handed down after the death of a person is inheritance. Next we have irrevocable, that is that which cannot be called back, that is irrevocable. As you can see, impunity, exemption from punishment, free from punishment, discipline of negative consequences. As you can see, because of her innocence, that will be freed. Next we have insurmountable, that cannot be overcome, that is known as insurmountable. Indict means to accuse or change a person with a crime in due form of law, that is known as indict. Instigation means the act of provoking and goading a man is known as instigation. Irrevocable, that which cannot be called back, that is known as irrevocable. Even irrecoverable means which cannot be recovered. Implicate means to confirm with the help of evidence, that is known as implicate. Please remember this, to confirm with the help of an evidence, that is known as implication. Intestate means to die without having made a will, that is intestate. Intimidation means use of language or gesture which implies threat to someone, that is by threatening someone with the gestures. Irrelevant means which is not at all concerning to the subject, that is irrelevant matter. Next we have jurisprudence, that is the science of study of law, is jurisprudence. Jurisdiction, a fixed territory in which authority can be exercised, is known as jurisdiction. Judicious means done with good judgment, is a judicious. Kangaroo Act means unofficial court that punishes people unfairly, is a kangaroo court. So this is, as you can see, which will happen in places where the court as well as judge have been sold by an illegal person. The Kangaroo Act, the unofficial court that punishes people unfairly. Next we have legacy, property handed down after the death of a person, is one type of legacy. Liable means responsible according to the law. Mortgage, we have a legal agreement by which a person borrows money from a bank, usually to buy a house. This is one thing which is happening in current situation. A legal agreement will be taken by which a person borrows money from a bank, usually to buy a house. That mortgage will be taken by the person from the bank. Mediate means try to settle a dispute between two other parties. As you can see, that mediation can be done by the various person. They are all mediators. Plaintiff, we can see someone who brings a legal action against another person in a court of law, that is plaintiff. Prosecution, to prosecute a legal action in court, that is prosecution. Prosecutor, to advocate, is an advocate, he is an advocate, is one type of prosecutor. Patrimony, property inherited from one's father or ancestors, that is patri. Matri means one's mother, so matrimony is something from the mothers. Next we have parole, release of a prisoner from jail on certain condition. If there is anything wrong which happened in the house, the person, whoever is staying in the jail, can be left for some time to come back. So that is parole leave be given for the whoever is in jail. Testimonial, a written statement about someone's character, usually provided by an employer, is one type of testimonial be taken. One written statement be about someone's character, usually provided by an employer. This testimonial will be taken with the action against the person who has done something wrong. Violate, break an agreement, law or promise, that violation is something. So these are the few law related terminology which are helpful for you guys. I hope. Please check my playlist where you will find maximum questions. I request you guys to call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.